Within the voice recording page, you can import your Resonance Go client's profile. You can import their audio file as well as their image to run a remote analysis. You simply click on the Import Resonance Go, you enter in your client's Resonance Go email, and this will import their existing voice profile that they have uploaded via their Resonance Go mobile application. The ability to analyze your voice is something proprietary to GoResonance. Your data contains a lot of rich information about your current health and wellness. We simply record your voice and we run it through what's known as a fast Fourier algorithm. We take a real complex wave pattern, we simplify that wave pattern through the FFT, the fast Fourier transform, and then we compare your voice recording to an existing database of herbs, items, and supplements. And that is how the actual analysis is done. That is how we record your voice and then we analyze your voice to glean information about your current state of health. Here you can import your client image as well, and by importing your client image, that helps to establish the energetic link and helps with your auric field analysis as well. You can either take a picture or upload